families.
What's your name?
Lisa.
What's your name? Ethan? Good job, Ethan.
Lisa. Daddy.
Yeah, this Daddy.
Lisa. Lisa. Hi, Daddy.
Aww.
Much better quality right now.
What?
No.
Okay, enough flubbies. You're silly.
Do it.
Okay, guys, here we go. We are in here like.
Alright, here's the remote. The controller's up here.
Night! Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chris with DNC Products. With longevity brought to you by DNC Products.
Here, hand me
Welcome here, guys. We're going to show you our new Ryobi Fan. Our new unboxing. Our new Ryobi Fan! Woo! You coming out? Close the door. So, we're going to do a little unboxing of our newest member to the OnePlus system, the P3320 corded/battery operated fan. Not a bad deal. It's getting hot as hell, guys. I live in Florida, so I had to pick one of these up for my workshop because it's just getting extremely hot. Right, Bubba?
Yeah.
So we're hot.
I want to see.
So,
Yeah.
ooh, wow. This is part of the lithium ion series, guys, as you can see. Very nice. It's got a clip so you can actually hang it. That's pretty cool. So I can use this in my house, anywhere really. It's got 2 different speeds.
Yeah.
Slow, fast. That's really cool, guys. So it's got an adapter here for an extension cord, and obviously it's got a plug-in for the OnePlus battery. So let's pop a battery in here real quick. And wow. That's nice.
Yeah. Let me see it.
How's that feel?
Nice.
Feels nice? Guys, this is a nice fan. I ordered the DeWalt one too, so I'll be doing a review on the DeWalt one as well. I have to say, guys, Ryobi just keeps impressing me, man. They outdid themselves again with this product. So it blows.
Fast and slow.
It blows beautiful, guys. So listen, right now we're sitting at about 3 minutes and 49 seconds.
Yeah.
I'm going to let this thing run. I want to see what the runtime is on this. I've got a 1.5 amp hour battery on here. So, watch out, Elijah. Sit down. I'm going to get off of there. Now. I've got a 1.5 amp hour battery on this thing, so we're going to let this thing run. I'm going to play around with it, put it inside the house. It's very nice, guys. Very compact. This thing is sweet. I definitely will be picking up a couple more of these. I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah.
So, I'll let you guys know. This was it's not a tool. Nothing crazy. I'm not going to be testing this thing, smashing things, drilling things, doing a bunch of crazy stuff, guys. I just wanted to show you, Ryobi's. This fan is nice, guys. It's very good quality. It's small, it's compact, it blows very nice. You know what? I want to try one thing real fast. I wonder if you plug in a bigger battery, does it go faster? Well, Ethan! Ethan!
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye.
I'm going to put a 4 amp on here. Okay, so it doesn't increase the speed, guys. Okay? The only thing the bigger battery is going to do is going to give it more runtime. All right? So, for that being said, that's it. And then we'll let you know how long this thing runs. The runtime is on this thing, all right? So, until next time, it's Chris, Longevity, brought to you by DNC Properties. Have a nice day.